Hello and welcome to signNow, the best e-signature solution out there. Watch this video to stay current with all the ways electronic signatures can benefit your business and streamline your day-to-day processes.
How much time do legal teams spend on improving core customer experience, striving to organize simple e-signature workflows, or ensuring proper data security measures? For legal professionals, transforming routine paper processes into fast and secure legal workflows would involve many hours and a lot of hassle. signNow enables legal companies and teams to streamline e-signature workflows, improve customer experiences, and cut agreement turnaround times, all while staying secure and compliant. Ensure your team is getting the most out of signNow's robust features to boost your legal workflows. Whether it's collaborating on agreements, reusing standard contracts as templates, sharing documents and templates across teams, or sending contracts for signature. Let's take a look at how signNow does the heavy lifting so that you can focus on your goals, not paperwork. If you'd like to share a document via a short link without having to add signer email addresses, use signNow to generate a unique URL and share it with your recipients. Every user that has the link can access a document and sign their own copy. Signing links allow you to collect data and signatures by quickly sharing documents and forms on the web, in chats and messengers, or via email. Signers can access and complete your documents as long as the corresponding signing links are active. Start by uploading your document to signNow. Alternatively, you can use any document or template already stored in your account. Add signer roles and fillable fields using the toolbar on the left. Click Save and Close to save your changes and then return to the dashboard. Keep in mind that if you add one role, signers will be instantly redirected to complete the document in the signNow editor. If you add more than one role, the person who follows the link will be authorized to define signer roles and send signature invites to the corresponding recipients. To generate a new signing link, click Create Invite Link next to the document or template you intend to share. The link will appear in the pop-up window. Copy it and share it via any available communication channel. Use the checkboxes below the signing link to set the parameters for your signature invite. The person who follows your link will open your document in a browser tab where they can sign it online in seconds. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. There are two types of fields in creating a document in signNow: editable for document senders and fillable for document signers. Each field is assigned to a specific role. You can set each field as required or optional and specify which data types are valid for that field. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw your signature using a mouse, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing a document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding additional authentication methods, set up document expiration dates with automated reminders, or allow your recipients to forward or even decline the invite. Select what you want to do with a signed document, including deciding who needs copies. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating, create a team and invite your colleagues. As the team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and so much more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with signNow. You can start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Ready to save time and money? Then click the link in the description and start your free 7-day trial of signNow.